Soldier boy, I'm in it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that soldier boy? That Superman. Now why me you crank that soldier? Now why me you crank that soldier? Now why me you crank that soldier? Now why me you crank that soldier?
Hey guys, what's up? 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 Hey guys, it's Najee Iman and I'm back with another video. Today, I'm gonna be Sza for a day. Just one though, just one day. Basically, I dyed my hair green. I'm Sza now. So I'm gonna go to school and I'm gonna be Sza. Fun, be a little fun. The makeup look I did was inspired by her. My outfit, not really, because, well, actually kind of, she'd be dressing like this, so, yeah. If people call me Sza every day anyways, so y'all really finna get a taste of who I am. Get the shower, you must have. I got some new blushes sent to me from Carity. I don't know if you guys have called them, but every month I get like a Carity product. They send me a Carity. They send me like their new collection every single month. So let me just show you guys what blushes I have. So I have this one. It's a coral one. Does my camera want to focus or not? Okay. It's that color. And these are the colors in it. Please hold. This super cute like plum one for fall. It's not fall yet, so I'm not gonna wear this one yet. And then I got another one. More pink. This one is more shimmery colors. Okay. This one's kind of cute. I think I want to use. Okay, also my voice is like coming back. I was sick for like a week. I'm still kind of sick, but it's coming back, so that's no longer an issue. Oh, I'm gonna use coral blush today. But first I have to bronze. What am I talking about? Sorry, I'm like out of order right now. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, I'm gonna do everything I can put for me. I can't talk without coughing in the middle because I'm like getting over my sickness. Where's your backpack? Okay, I'm gonna do something different today. I tried to do glossy lids the other day with like actual lip gloss. I put actual lip gloss on my eyes and it was terrible. So today we're gonna try Vaseline and maybe that might work. I don't know. Cause Sza wears glossy eyelids. This better work. I'm gonna be like a man. I think that's what she was using though. Vaseline. I don't see a difference. So, for highlight, I kind of want to use the same highlight in this blush trio, but this isn't like super like pow in your face like Fenty is. It's so cute though. It's more for like if you want like a subtle highlight. My camera, like the light keeps on like freaking adjusting and now I look orange. I'm not orange in real life. The only thing about like glossy lids is that it messes with my brow highlight.
Why are you still here?
So the concept of today's video is basically seeing how people react to my green hair. I mean, I know I always wear colors to school, but like the green hair is like that's a little different. Green hair is like loud in your face. Plus,
it's me. So it's like, oh my gosh, your hair is great. Now we're gonna do hair. I got this new hair straightening brush from Glam Fields. Sent it to me to review. Which is cool because I like straightening my hair. So I'm gonna just like straighten my hair and show you guys how it works. Ooh, it's hot. If you didn't watch my video on how I dyed this hair, go watch that. By the time I post this video, that video should be up. If it's not, then it's not. No, I'm playing, but by the time I post that video, that video should be up. So yeah, if you want to see how I got my hair to be lime green, go watch my tutorial. It's so easy. So I'm not sure the price of this brush, but I'm sure it's not expensive. I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box so you guys can check it out. But yeah, a hair straightening brush is so convenient for people because I know a lot of people don't have time in the morning and you need to like do your hair and makeup and your dress all at once, and it's like a straightening brush cuts down the time like in half. So you're welcome. I'm gonna definitely plug you with this brush. It's so foggy today. Oh my gosh. Look, what the heck? Oh my gosh, it looks like a haunted house. You know when you go to a haunted house, it's like smoky and foggy? That's what it looks like right now. Anyways, okay, it's so dark you can't even see me. Wow. I feel disrespected. And it's cold. Oh my gosh, it's so scary. I was like, I have an alcohol bag. It's my 7-Eleven bag though. All right guys, my outfit's so simple today. I have on my Adidas shirt, these joggers from Boohoo, and then Reeboks. Cute and comfortable. Yeah. I hate myself so much. I'm such a flop. Wow. So I got lemonade from Starbucks and I dropped it and it all spilled on me. So now I'm covered in lemonade. Like, look. I'm such a child. Like, literally, how hard is it to hold a thing of lemonade, Manja? I didn't think it was that hard. I didn't think it was that hard. Wow, I feel really bad. It's like in a big puddle too, so like, I was like, I'll clean it up, but they were like, no, we'll do it, it's fine. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, I feel really bad. I'm so gross. Oh my god, I hate myself. Wow. Jordan, rate my hair from 1 to 10.
Rate your hair from 1 to 10?
Say it again.
Shut up.
He said I look like the Joker because my hair is green and I have a purple shirt on. Dang. I do look like the Joker though. Cutest Joker you ever seen, period. Aha. Have you guys ever met my brother? This is my brother, guys. He's like trying to hide from the camera. But that's him. He's like 10 years old, so don't say he's cute because he's only 10.
Tell you to hurry up and buy.
Hurry up and buy. Hurry up and buy. Hurry up and buy. Guess what I'm finna get, guys? If you guessed this right. I love you. Not only do we get cranberry juice, you gotta get the water too. I gotta get my food. What do I want to eat today? I don't be eating right, guys. I be eating candy and cranberry juice every day. Imagine if I got hit by a car, you would just see a girl with a green wig on the ground. I don't know why, but I've been into dressing like a guy. Like, I don't know. I feel like dressing like a boy is fun, you guys. Like, have you ever tried it? I mean, this shirt I have on is from the men's section, and then the shoes I have on are guys' shoes, so. I don't know, am I turning into a tomboy? I don't know. I'm gonna do a 7-Eleven haul and show you guys what I got from the store. These are candies. They're so good. I eat really unhealthy, but I'm still alive, so it's fine. So today is a short day. We get out at 2. So all my classes are short, and I just took a test. And I iced that mug like I always do. Anyways, I just went to the bathroom. I look like a whole highlighter right now, dude. It's crazy. Okay, I'm in class right now laying down because I'm tired and it's lunch. So, yeah. I'm by myself because I have no friends.
Everyone, we have an announcement to make. Stop bullying!
Clip if that monkey bitch wanna bang. We are not friends, little bitch. I just watch it change. My chopper say. Didn't know you before, then you are not gang.